Welcome back to our channel. Traveling with your golf gear can be nerve-wracking, especially when you're trusting your clubs to survive airport baggage handling. But with the Samsonite Tour Classic Golf Hard Case, your equipment travels as safely and stylishly as you do. Today, we'll explore what makes this hard case one of the most reliable choices for golfers who are always on the move. Ultra-durable construction, built with high-impact ABS plastic, this case is made to take hits, bumps, and drops without compromising what's inside. The Samsonite Tour Classic's rugged shell resists cracks and dents, giving your clubs military-grade protection, whether you're flying cross-country or driving to your next tournament. Secure locking system, security meets convenience with TSA-approved combination locks. You can lock your case without worrying about security delays. These heavy-duty latches keep the case tightly sealed, ensuring your clubs stay safe and secure throughout the journey. Smooth rolling design, transporting a heavy golf bag through an airport has never been easier. With inline skate-style wheels and a reinforced pull handle, the Tour Classic rolls smoothly and silently even over carpet and uneven surfaces. It's like having a caddy for your travel days. Lightweight yet spacious, despite its durable construction, this Samsonite case remains surprisingly lightweight. It accommodates larger 10.5 golf bags and clubs up to 48 inches long, all while keeping total weight manageable, perfect for air travel where every pound matters. Weather-resistant protection, traveling through unpredictable weather? No problem. The water-resistant shell and sealing edges keep moisture, dust, and dirt away from your gear, ensuring your clubs arrive in tournament-ready condition every time. Travel-ready design, the Samsonite Tour Classic is designed for the modern traveler. Its molded handles, standing base, and compact storage profile make it ideal for air travel, road trips, or storage at home. Everything about it says, ready for the next round. So, if you're ready to travel like a pro and protect your investment, the Samsonite Tour Classic Golf Hard Case is your ultimate travel companion. Built tough, designed smart, and made to last, this case ensures your gear arrives as ready to play as you are. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.